sa PBB 737. Sa nakaraang nomination night, nalagay sa alanganin sina Miho, Richard at Tommy. Binabalik na ni Kuya ang kapangyarihan ng taong bayan ng BBS o Vote to Save at BBE o Vote to Evict. At mas lalong nagiging malapit sina Bailey at Ilona.
Barbie or Ilona?
I've said that like a million times. Ilona.
Franco or Bailey? I can't choose between you guys. One of you guys are really good friends. I mean, one of them is a really good friend and one of them is something else.
OMG, Ilona! What is that something else? Ngayong gabi, saksihan ang mga kaganapan matapos ang nominasyon. At huwag palampasin ang mga nakakakilig na kaganapan ni Bailey at Ilona.
Oh, Bailey!
Oh, Bailey!
Sabi ko, baliw!
Bailey said that. Oh my God.
Ano?
He just said that he likes you.
Can I get tubig? Please?
He likes you.
I'm gonna go with... I'm gonna go with tubig! Tubig!
Sa confession room, kinausap ni Kuya ang nahihirapang magtagalog na sina Tommy, Bailey at Ilona.
Bilang exercise para sa inyong Tagalog skills, bibigyan ko kayo ng hamon. Kayong tatlo ay susulat ng isang kanta sa Tagalog.
Oh my gosh.
Ito ay kakantahin ninyo sa takdang panahon.
Maya-maya nag-isip na sina Tommy at Bailey ng kanta.
Ito is a fish. Your face is so beautiful. Mukha mo sobrang ganda. Yeah, read it. Mahal kita. Mukha mo maganda. Diba? Selos ka. Pag may kasama akong iba. Diba?
Yes!
Walang iya.
That's yun! Huwag mong ibaling-ibaling ang rules. Huwag mong ibaling-ibaling ang rules. Diba di bunot ay malalagot kayo. Ibaling-ibaling,
Diba
ibaling-ibaling.
selos ka?
I liked it, and then
Pag
it came
may
to a mukha.
kasama akong iba.
Diba selos ka?
Kita! Mukha mo maganda. Diba selos ka?
Selos ka?
Maya-maya sina Bailey at Ilona tuloy lang ang kulitan at naglaro ng Truth or Dare.
I dare you to go to Kuya Roger and say I love you and kiss him on the cheek. Okay. And also Jim Boy. No, I dare you to do it to every guy in the house.
No!
Yes!
Hell no!
Yes! 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 Kiss him on
That
the
means you have
cheek.
to do any dare I say after.
Fine.
I love you. I love you. I'm not.
Look him in the eye! Look him in the eye!
I love you. No.
Naglalaro na rin.
She's crazy. She's crazy. Oh my God. What did I do?
Squeeze it, squeeze it.
Everyone's happy.
Hmm?
Everyone's
Wait, what did you say before there?
Because you're happy. He's happy. They're happy.
I've
Everyone's
always been happy.
Yeah. That's why I'm happy.
What's the real reason?
Well, because we just had a fun game. Because you're happy.
I'm not happy.
You're not happy.
Turkey.
Kung tila hindi daw masaya si Ilona, kinabukasan habang nasa living room,
Oh, Believe.
Oh, Benny.
Ah, oh,
Benny.
Believe! Sabi ko, baliw! Anong Bailey?
Oh,
baliw ko!
Miss kita!
Grabe kayo talaga.
Oh, baby ko!
Ayoko na dito! Ayoko na dito! Narinig ko yun! Ayoko na dito!
Hindi na kuryente.
Grabe kayo!
Ano pa nga kaya ang mangyayari sa pagitan ni na Bailey at Ilona? Yan ang ating abangan maya-maya lamang. Hello Philippines and hello world! Kagabi nga ay naging nominado sina Miho, Richard at Tommy. Huwag na kayong magatubili na iboto ang BBS sa housemate na gusto nyo pang maligtas at BBE para sa housemate na gusto nyo namang mapalabas na ng bahay ni Kuya. Dahil magsasara na po ang botohan bago matapos ang ating programa. Samantala, bago ang nomination night, isang amina naman ang naganap sa pagitan ni na Bailey at Ilona. At kung ano ang mga nakakakilig na pangyayari, narito panoorin nating lahat. Maya-maya si Bailey kinausap si Jimboy at may pinapahulaan sa kanya.
Guess what it is?
In your mind,
Sa tao. Isang tao.
Ilona? Why? Away? Away kayo?
Ano away?
Nag-aaway.
Look into my eyes.
In love. Are you in love? Yeah, bro. That's it? Oh? Pinky? Are you in love?
I'm not in love.
Huh?
I'm not in love.
So what? Yeah, bro.
I'm not in love.
You're in love. You gotta tell her. You're beta.
Wait.
Oh.
You tell her when I go inside.
Susunod!
Well, are you hiding something from me?
I'm hiding something from you.
Bailey said
Ano daw?
Bailey said that he just said that he likes you.
Tubig!
Sa nalalapit na big night, malapit na rin makilala kung sino-sino sa regular housemates ang mapapabilang sa Big Four. Kaya kapamilya, nasa kamay ninyo ang kapangyarihan dahil pinabalik ang vote to save at vote to evict. Patuloy mo pa rin masusuportahan ang Housemate X BBS Space Name of Housemate that sent to 2366. One vote to save per save. 50 centavos to ABS-CBN Mobile, Smart, Talk and Text, Sun Cellular, Globe Prepaid, and TM subscribers. 1 peso to Globe Postpaid subscribers. At maaari mo nang iboto ang housemate na gusto mong ma-evict sa bahay ni Kuya. Text BBE Space Name of Housemate that sent to 2366. One vote to evict per save. You only have 24 hours para bumoto kapamilya. Kaya vote wisely. TVB 73. Si Jimboy tinawag na si Ilona para sabihin ang mensahe ni Bailey.
Tell me what she says. You're my brother, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Don't do bad.
Ilona.
Bakit? What are you doing? Bailey,
Wait a
give me a stop. No, you stop.
Jimboy.
Now you for a second, you stop. Being crazy. Well, are you hiding something from me?
I'm hiding something from you.
Why?
I don't know why.
It's serious stuff, man. This is like life and death.
Can I please? Why did you trust me not to tell me? Out.
Okay. Are you mad with me?
No, why?
Because you seem mad.
I'm not mad.
Honest. You're okay with me?
Come here, Ilona.
Okay.
Si Bailey may mahalagang ibinilin muna kay Jimboy.
You said say baby likes you, not in love. Crush.
Nang mag-uusap na ang dalawa,
Bailey said
Ano daw?
Bailey said that he's in
Oh my God.
his initiative.
Why did you want me to come here then?
Initiative. No, he just said that he likes you.
Hindi ko get.
Yeah.
Can I get tubig? Please? I don't even understand what you just said.
He likes you.
I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go get tubig! Tubig!
Okay ka na, Ilona. Okay ka na. Kasi ako hindi pa. I have to get my water. Kailangan ko ng tubig. Tubig!
Do you need to go get my battery changed? Yes. Let's go get our battery changed.
Habang todo iwas pa rin si Ilona, si Jimboy nag-report na agad kay Bailey.
I said that he likes you. I gonna get too big. Chickily.
I'm gonna get tubig.
Ito.
Know where the tubig is? Don't tell me anything.
Alam mo?
Starting at the park, you're so cute.
Okay lang. May kita ko mata mo. Something.
I'll go get water, my tubig.
Maya-maya muling kinausap ni Jimboy si Ilona.
Hindi ko alam.
What?
Hindi ko lang talaga.
No, he likes you as a friend.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Friend lang.
I don't know.
Friend lang! Yay! Tara.
You'll wait here. Bailey, come here. What, bro? You
Ay,
said
naman
that I'll gonna tell.
We're all good friends. Really good friends.
Ding, 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 ding.
Best friends.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ding, 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 ding.
Si Bailey patuloy pa rin ang pagpapapansin kay Ilona.
Anong problema mo?
Kailangan tubig.
Ako din.
Okay lang.
I'm kilig. Bro, I'm kilig, bro.
Stop!
Now we're together. Never ever will I leave you. We're together.
Wait.
You away from me. 'Cause
Calm down.
Start blaming me.
Just calm down. Okay. Ano isip mo? What's on your mind right now? Cause...
At ikaw, nakakatakot, so please.
Wait. You don't need too big, right?
I need tubig.
Wait.
I need tubig. I need tubig.
Wait.
I need tubig.
Calm down. Calm. Okay. Ano? Bakit nakakatakot mo? Wait! Okay. Ano? Problema mo?
Wala.
I see something.
Some days are perfect. Everything feels like it should.
Susunod!
Do you know what Jimboy told me there?
I don't know what Jimbo said. I don't know. Did he say what I'm thinking right now?
What are you thinking right now?
Gusto kita?
Habang naghihintay sa gabi ng nominasyon, kitang-kita ang pagiging malapit ni na Tommy at Miho.
Nasa paa.
Tommy, you are nominated this week. I'm sorry, Miho, ikaw ay nominado sa linggong ito. Pumuesto na kayo. Sina Miho, Richard at Tommy nga po ang nominado sa linggong ito. Pero matapos i-anunsyo ang mga nominado, napuno na ng tensyon ang dalawa. Maya-maya pa na pag-usapan na ng dalawa ang pagiging parehong nominado.
Mas malungkot ako kasi nominado tayo. If I leave, or
Ikaw?
if you leave.
Oh,
Yes.
sa outside?
Oo. Sabi mo dati, you go back to Japan, di ba?
Siyempre, babalik pa ako doon. Pero, babalik din ako dito.
So you're gonna come back here?
Yeah, siyempre. Dito lahat ng lola ko, o tita ko. Babalik ako, siyempre.
Yeah.
Pero si Tommy, bukod sa nominasyon, may iba pang gustong pag-usapan.
Anong inisip mo about us being together? Pwede girlfriend, boyfriend?
Agad-agad? Okay.
I like you, Mio. And hindi
Ayun.
sa bahay ni Kuya lang. Sa labas din.
Wow, talaga naman. Hindi na. I don't believe you. Dahil andito tayo sa PBB. Hindi ko alam, o baka na-overthinking lang ako, hindi ko alam. Pero yun ang nasa isip ko ngayon.
Salamat po.
So you don't believe me? Understandable. I want so much to be able to tell you how I feel. If I could just tell you in English, you know, how I feel, I think you would believe me. But I can't. I can't. Gusto kita, Miho.
Hindi naman kailangan magmadali, di ba?
Samantala, ang kasama naman nilang nominado na si Richard nagsisimula ng tumulong sa paghahanda ng hapunan.
One of very few stuff that I notice about myself na nawala ay I'm not as initiative as before and hindi ako hardworking enough sa mga task or house chores, mga ganyan po. I mean, my goal right now is just to go back to who I was in the first 4 weeks, kuya. Packet na ako ulit na yun. You know, maximize my time here and see what happens.
Iba't ibang emosyon nga ang nararamdaman ng mga nominado na sina Miho, Richard at Tommy. At kung sino sa kanila ang mananatili at sino ang tuluyan ang lalabas ng bahay ni Kuya, nakadepende po ang lahat ng yan sa inyong mga naging boto. Dahil sa puntong ito, opisyal na po naming sinasara ang botohan. Ano nga kaya ang naging resulta nito? Malalaman natin sa dulo ng linggo sa susunod na eviction night. Kaya naman manatili pa rin kayo nakatutok sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay. Muli ako po si Tony Gonzaga at ito ang Pinoy Big Brother 737. Abangan bukas, kayanin pa kaya ng mga natitirang housemates ang tumitinding habang ng wikika.
Housemates, ang lahat ng inyong napanood kanina ay inyo ring gagawin ng magkakapares.
At kayanin niyo pa kaya ang Bailona Fever.
Why don't you want to talk to me?
Hello?
You're angry?
No. Do you know what Jimboy told me there?
I don't know what Jimbo said. I don't know. Did he say what I'm thinking right now?
What are you thinking right now?
Gusto kita?
Okay, I need water then.